Okay po, once nakapag-sign up na po tayo kay Canva, pwede na natin i-access lahat ng templates designs nila. And there are wide range of templates design, from poster to infographics to presentations, education presentations, logo, videos, Instagram posts, Facebook posts. Pwede din kayong gumawa dito ng YouTube thumbnails and cover photos for your Facebook accounts or for your Facebook page. Everything is super available here and super user-friendly to. So let's try to make a logo. Yung atmosphere ni Canva is just like the same with other templates like presentation and infographics. Lahat madaling i-edit. So i-click mo lang yan. Pwede ka nang magsulat dyan. Pwede mo delete. You can create your own, for example, Grace. And you can edit it. Learn English, ganyan. Pwede mo siya habaan. Pwede mo i-move. So you can also change the color. Depending on you, what you want. Depends on what you want and your perspective. Very easy. Pwede kayong magdagdag ng photos, for example, para maging maganda yung logo natin. Search English. You can have this one. You can adjust it. Pwede din siya i-send to back or send niya sa back. Yan. Okay. Pwede din naman siya send, bring to front or bring forward. Pwede din i-delete. Napakadali lang po i-delete. Just click it again. Pwede magdagdag ng elements. For example, you want to add books. Napakadali po. Just have to click this and then ayun na si books. And again, pwede mo silang i-change. Pwede mo send to back. Or this one, pwede din. Pwede mo ikot yan. It's up to you. And then pwede mo yan send to back. Yes. So, napakadali lang po. Pwede din malagyan ng text. And you can choose a lot of things to say. A lot of fonts. Enjoy English. Fun and easy English. Pwedeng ganyan. And then edit this also. You can write here your name or whatever you want for your design. Of course, it's up to you because it's your design. You can also add videos, background. You can add a background. Let's try this one. You see? Cutie. You can search for background also. Like mountain. Yan. You see, super user-friendly si Canva. And once you're done, for example, this is your final product, or you can just delete this one kasi hindi mo pang maganda. Once you're done and this is your final product, then you can share it. You can send it to your email or you can copy the link. And you have to click this down arrow. Kasi kapag kinlik nyo yung share a link to edit, then may edit siya ng mga estudyante. It will not be yours. So, kailangan itong share a link to view lang sila. Okay? Tapos, copy link. Then, once you copy, you can now send it through email, messenger, Facebook. It's up to you. So, you can also download this. Marami silang file formats na pwede mo i-download yung mismong logo mo. Pwede JPEG, PDF standard, PDF print. Yung PDF print, pag pinrint mo siya, makulay na makulay. I mean, what you see is what you get. And you can also have a video or GIF. It's up to you. So, once kinlik nyo yan, automatic masasave na siya sa... Once you click the download, automatic masasave na siya sa inyong drive. Pwede rin nyo rin itaas yung size niya if you want. Or babaan. Or taas. Or baba. Or taas. It's up to you. Okay? Pwede nyo rin siyang transparent background kung PNG po yung pipiliin mo file. Okay? So, hindi lang logo yung pwedeng gawin. Still have posters and everything. So, ganun ka user-friendly si Canva. Ganun din ka-dami ng templates ang pwede natin gamitin. So, I suggest all Deped teachers should use Canva. Kasi free lang naman siya. Plus, pwede natin i-download. Makakatulong to sa atin for our new normal education.